Hi kids. Kids, in this video we will press A, B, C, D, A to Z. Let's start. A, B, C, D, E, F, pink color, G, H, I, J, K, L, green color, M, violet color, N, O, P, Q, R, sky blue color, S, orange color, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Kids, read again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Kids, thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe.